If you've been thinking about buying the ZWO Seestar S30 Pro, you're probably asking one question. Is it actually worth your money, or is it just another overhyped gadget? After looking at its features and real-world performance, I can say this is definitely a legitimate smart telescope. But that doesn't mean it's perfect. The biggest selling point is how simple it is to use. You don't need years of astronomy experience. Just place it outside, connect it to the mobile app, and let it do the hard work. It automatically finds objects in the night sky, tracks them, and even stacks images for better quality. Image quality is another strong point. The Seestar S30 Pro uses upgraded Sony sensors that capture sharp 8.3 megapixel images. It also includes a wide-angle camera for time-lapses and Milky Way shots. The built-in filters help reduce light pollution, making it easier to photograph nebulae and galaxies, even from suburban areas. Portability is excellent too. It weighs only about 1.65 kilograms and has a built-in battery that can last around 6 hours. That makes it easy to carry on camping trips or to your favorite dark sky location. Of course, there are a few downsides. The 30mm aperture is smaller than larger telescopes. That means it won't collect as much light as bigger models. Serious astrophotographers may also want extra accessories to unlock advanced equatorial mode for longer exposures. So, is the ZWO Seestar S30 Pro a scam? Not at all. It's a real smart telescope that delivers exactly what it promises. It makes astrophotography much easier for beginners while still offering enough features to keep experienced users interested. If your goal is to capture impressive images of the moon, galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters without dealing with complicated equipment, this is one of the best options in its class.